Oh, watch out! Yo, Duncan, watch out, Duncan! Oh, watch out, Duncan!
You didn't teach me that one.
Oh,
Highlander.
The Italians call it il passato sotto.
the fucking
It's used for
Italians.
overly aggressive attackers who are off balance.
Yeah, fucking, go get them, Italians. Oh, Duncan! Duncan's gonna get some fucking lightning right here. Oh, not yet, not yet, not yet.
That sword I gave you was a noble weapon. I told you to make it part of yourself, but you cannot do that when you do not know who you are. It would have served you well against any other sword but this one.
No, Red, please.
Get him, Duncan! Don't listen to that kid!
Do it.